It is God who asks those who are weary, those who are heavily burdened, to come to Him. And that initiative of the Lord is rooted on His mercy and compassion to all of us. Ang Panginoon ang tumatawag at nagpapalapit sa lahat ng napapagal at nabibigatan ng loob. It goes to show that God sees what we are feeling and God knows kung ano ang pinagdadaanan nating lahat. God did not only call those who are tired and weary. God also asked them to carry or to lift up their yoke and together walk with Him in His life. It reminds us on the assurance of the Lord that once we respond to His call to come to Him, He will never leave us. Hindi niya tayo pababayaan at maglalakbay tayong may kasama at hindi nag-iisa. Bawat isa sa atin na nararito ngayon ay may kanya-kanyang dinadala, may kanya-kanyang pinapanalangin, may kanya-kanyang bigat at kapagalan na nararamdaman. At ang ating ebanghelyo ay nagpapaalala sa atin na hindi aksidenteng nandito kayo sapagkat tinawag kayo ng Diyos upang ialis sa Kanya lahat ng bagay na iyon at upang hilingin ang kapahingahan at kapanatagan kasama Niya.